In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark a message in Slack. Whether you're new to Slack or just looking to utilize its features more effectively, this tutorial will guide you through the simple steps to keep important messages at your fingertips. So let's get started by diving into the process of bookmarking a message in Slack, which consists of just a couple of straightforward steps. First, navigate to the message you want to bookmark in your Slack workspace. This is your starting point for organizing the important bits of conversation you come across during your time on Slack. It's worth considering what types of messages you find most useful to bookmark. These can be anything from important project updates, helpful links, or even just notes you want to revisit later. Next up, you'll want to hover over the message. If you're using Slack on a computer, simply position your mouse cursor over the message. You'll notice a toolbar that appears when you do this, giving you a few options. Slack is designed to be user-friendly, so this is an intuitive part of the interface meant to help you access message options swiftly. Once that toolbar is visible, look for an option that says Save for Later. It may look like a small bookmark icon or could actually be labeled with those words, depending on the version of Slack you're using. By clicking on this, you effectively add that message to your saved items. Saving messages this way is essentially like creating a digital bookmark, allowing you to compile and easily access critical pieces of information. It's really that simple. And the reason this feature is so valuable is because of the efficiency it brings to managing your daily interactions and responsibilities, especially when navigating through a busy workspace. Saved messages can be easily accessed later under the Saved Items section in Slack. This repository of saved messages is organized and simple to navigate, so retrieving what you need is just a few clicks away. As a tip, regularly review your saved items to ensure you're not accumulating too many, and to keep your list relevant and intentional. Maybe set a time, weekly or monthly, to clear out anything you've already handled or no longer need. This small habit can prevent information overload and help maintain productivity. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to bookmark messages in Slack. Bookmarking messages can significantly enhance your workflow, helping you stay organized and efficient. So go ahead and give it a try in your next Slack session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for helpful tips and tricks like this one.